Why detox? For most of my life, I considered myself fairly healthy. I was not overweight, very slim in fact. I usually ate 2 to 3 meals per day, not a lot of junky type foods, so I thought. I was about to learn the hard way that my lifestyle and eating habits were not healthy at all. My diet was like most of North America's diet, a lot of processed food, soda, drinks, not real juice but man-made sugary drinks, fast food, and lots of fat. I also smoked 2 packs a day of menthol cigarettes. I also became less active as time went on. I considered my lifestyle and eating habits perfectly normal. This is how I observed most people living their life. What I did not realize was all the dyes, preservatives, and hydrogenated oils I was consuming, not to mention exhaust fumes, solvents, chemicals, pesticides, and heavy metals in our environment. We spray our homes with chemicals to kill off nasty little critters. We walk outside on the grass that has just been sprayed with more chemicals. We put chlorine in our pools and we can't go outside at any time without being exposed to the exhaust fumes from cars, planes, etc. Some of our food supply is deficient in nutrients. We do not eat the way our grandparents and great-grandparents ate. Their food was richer in nutrients. We, over a long period of time, have depleted our soil, and the constant deluge of chemicals used to obtain a larger yield of crops is what gets in our system. What does this all mean? We live in a highly toxic environment. There are various types of detox methods that help your body rid itself of its toxic overload. Colon cleansing is one of them. The majority of people have some difficulty with their colon, constipation being one of the big ones. Colon cleansing can be done naturally by eating foods high in fiber or taking fiber supplements. A diet that includes vegetables and fruits such as raspberries or blueberries is a great source of fiber. In fact, 1 cup of these fruits has as much fiber as eating 10 bran muffins. Imagine the carb count of 10 bran muffins. It is also a must that you consume a lot of water. This helps hydrate and nourish your body and flush toxins and fecal matter out of your system. Diet is so important. Where possible, eat organic. We have enough chemicals and pesticides and processed foods to deal with. Just use your common sense and eat real all-natural foods just as Mother Nature intended. Instead of that candy bar for quick energy, eat a piece of fruit instead. Fasting is still a valid therapy for detoxing. When you eat, the body spends many hours processing the food through digestion, nourishing the cells, and elimination. When you stop eating and drink a lot of fluids, the body can then concentrate on eliminating toxins and healing the body. Fasting can be 1 to 3 days or as much as 10 days if done properly and under the care of a licensed practitioner. Also, a visit to a licensed nutritionist can help you with vitamin and herbal supplement selection that suits your particular needs. You can also get spa detox foot baths or detox foot patches. These are awesome because they draw toxins out through your feet. I personally know what these detox baths can do. You would be amazed as to how mucked up the water looks after 30 minutes. The color the water turns is directly related to where you are detoxing from, such as the gallbladder, liver, lymphatic system, etc. Our current environment calls for taking action in caring for our bodies. Detoxing is a great way to alleviate toxic buildup. You'll feel great and have the energy to spare. Detox for vitality is the name of the game. I hope this helps.